So let's talk about the other logical operator that will be used very commonly, and that's the opposite of the AND. That's called the OR. So let's rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite this to be number is smaller than 20, and then I'm going to do number is greater than 40. Then I'm going to change this to number is, how about number is smaller than 20 or greater than 40. Right now this code won't actually work. So I'll go ahead and reverse this, because that's basically the inverse of what we're just doing. Right now this code won't work because what we're doing is we're saying number is smaller than 20 or greater than 40, but our expression is number is smaller than 20 and number is greater than 40. Rather? Did I really type in rather? Number is greater than 40. Okay, so what we need to do is change our operator from an AND to a OR. What does an OR operator look like? Well, it just looks like two pipes. By doing this, I have now changed the expression to be that. What does the OR do? Well, the AND makes it so that if both the booleans are true, it'll return true. If either of the booleans are false, or if both booleans are false, it'll return false. The OR will return true if one of these booleans is true. So let's go ahead and inline this guy so that we can see an example of just using the if statement without it all written out. And what we get is number is less than 20 or number is greater than 40. So that's really that. Not a whole lot to say about that. I mean, you can change as many of these as you want. I can say if number is smaller than 20, or number is greater than 40, or true equals false, or console read line equals whoa. I mean, I can just go on forever and chain as many of these as I want. And that's really all I really want to talk about with our logical operators.